Presentations are key in the professional world. They help us share project findings, get support, and inspire others. A good presentation helps your audience understand and remember your message. It's not just about showing information. It's about telling a story with your project. This can make your work more interesting and impactful. Whether you're presenting to your team, managers, or clients, a clear and engaging presentation is crucial. It's your opportunity to showcase your hard work and expertise. By following a structured approach and using clear language, you can create presentations that captivate your audience and leave a lasting impression. Start your presentation with a strong introduction. Begin by stating the project's name and your role, then provide a brief overview of the project's goals. What problem did your project address? Why is it important to solve this problem? Next, outline the project's scope. What did your team focus on? What were the boundaries of your work? Explain the project time frame. When did it start and end? Highlighting the project's impact is crucial. What difference did your project make? Briefly state the key outcomes and their significance. After setting the stage, explain how you achieved your project goals. This section focuses on your methodology. Start by outlining the methods you used. Did you conduct surveys, experiments, or develop a new system? Be specific and use clear language that everyone can understand. Describe where you implemented these methods. Was it in a lab, a specific community, or a virtual environment? Providing context helps your audience visualize the process. Explain the benefits of your chosen methods. Why were they the most appropriate for your project? Did they offer unique advantages or overcome specific challenges? The heart of your presentation lies in showcasing the project outcomes. Start by presenting your key findings. Use charts, graphs, and visuals to make the data clear and engaging. Instead of overwhelming your audience with numbers, focus on the meaning behind the data. What story do your results tell? Relate these outcomes back to the project's initial goals. Did you achieve what you set out to do? How did your findings address the problem you identified? Highlight the positive effects of your project. Did it improve efficiency, reduce costs, or enhance quality? Section 5. Practice makes perfect. Adapting to your audience. Practice is key to a successful presentation. Rehearse your presentation multiple times to ensure a smooth delivery. Remember to speak clearly and make eye contact with your audience. Consider your audience when preparing your presentation. Tailor your language and level of detail to their knowledge and interests. Think about the questions they might have and be ready to answer them. Adapting your presentation to different audiences ensures that your message resonates effectively. By following these steps and practicing your delivery, you can master the art of professional project presentations. Remember, confidence and clarity are your allies in delivering impactful and memorable presentations.